Hello guys, we are here tonight to continue with the series of 7 mistakes that most traders make and fail and how you can avoid them. And in today's videos, we'll talk about the 6th mistake. And before anything, as we are used to doing, we'll try to go through the disclaimer. Okay, so trading in general and forex specifically is a high risk activity. It is not suited for everybody. Not everybody can do it. You may lose more than your invested capital and get in debt. The information, examples, and representations in and under any form in this presentation and on amount forex training in general are for educational purpose only. You alone are responsible for your losses. You're responsible of your losses, and in no way can we be liable, okay, of the consequences of your decisions. So if you are fine with that, and we'll go ahead and talk about the mistakes that most forex traders make, okay, and fail, and how you can avoid them, okay. And the mistakes is that they don't use New York close charts. They don't use New York close charts. So what is New York close? Actually, forex trading every Sunday, the forex markets open in New York at 5 p.m. and closes every day at 4:55 p.m. But we can say 5 p.m. okay, or if you prefer we can say 4 p.m. 59 minutes 59 seconds, okay. So a full day is from 5 p.m. New York time to 4:59 minutes 59 seconds p.m. the next day, okay. So when we say New York close, we mean that a full day in forex trading starts at 5 p.m. New York, which means that depending on where you live in the world, the starting point of the day can be 9 p.m. for you. It can be 10 p.m., it can be 1 a.m., it can be 3 a.m. It depends on where you live, but it's always 5 p.m. New York. Yet, no matter what your time zone, you should be using charting that corresponds to New York close, which means that on your trading platform, when the market is closed, for example, you should see 23:59 seconds, okay. So when the market is closing, for example a Friday night at 5 p.m. New York, and on your trading platform during the weekend before the market open again at 5 p.m. on Sunday in New York, you should be seeing on your platform the market watch should be 23:59, which means 11 p.m. 59 minutes 59 seconds, meaning that the full day of the forex market is closed. The 24 hours of a day are considered closed when 5 p.m. when it is 5 p.m. in New York. And let me show you what I'm talking about in on the trading platform. Okay, so this is it here on my chart. You will see that the market watch is displaying 23, which means 11 p.m. Okay, 23:59 minutes 59 seconds. It is almost midnight. It's actually, it remains 1 second to midnight, okay, for another day to start. Okay, so that means Friday 5 p.m. at New York, but which represents 23 or 11 p.m. 59 minutes 59 seconds for the full day of forex trading. So when the markets open again on Sunday 5 p.m. New York time, this platform, the watch here, will be showing 000, which would be considered the first hour or first seconds of a new forex trading day, which is different from a regular day in New York, for example. You understand that? If 5 p.m. New York time corresponds to 0 or midnight in your time zone, it means that you are living in a country or you are living in a time zone that corresponds to the exact beginning or the exact time zone for the forex market, if we can talk that way, which means that 5 p.m. New York will be the first hour or the first second of the new forex trading day. Why is New York close important? New York close, using a New York close charting is important because when you use a trader, a broker, a broker that offers New York close, when you are analyzing the market using the daily chart or even the hourly chart, the 4 hours chart, the weekly and monthly, you have real data corresponding to the real data of the market. But when you are using another or a broker that is offering another market watch that does not correspond to New York close, your data you will be using for analysis will be biased. It will be false data. Let me show you what I'm talking about in on the platform, and you'll see. So when you are here, for example, and my market watch is 23:59:59, if you have a look at your platform and it is displaying, for example, 22:59:59, it means that your platform is 1 hour behind. And when it's 1 hour behind, it means that when you take this candle, the blue one, okay, which is representing the last, I am on now, I am on 4 hours chart, for example. So these 4 hours are representing the 4 hours before the market closed. So this last candle is representing 1 p.m. New York all the way to 7 p.m. like 4:59:59 New York. That is a full 4 hour candle, 4 hours candle, and this represents the 4 hours before. So if you don't have 23:59:59 but you have 22:59:59, it means that your last candle is not representing a full 4 hours, for example. So the last candle you will be having on your platform will be different from my last 4 hour candle. And when the markets open on Sunday, next Sunday, the first second will start my another candle for me. But what will happen on your platform showing 22:59:59 is that the new data when the market opens next Sunday for a whole hour will be added to your last candle, and it will be 1 hour after the new candle opens on my chart that your new candle will start, your new 4 hour candle will start. So when you stay on your 4 hour, any of your 4 hours candle to have data and to make decision, the data you will be having will be false. For example, the last candle, 4 hour candles before the last one, so the not the one until the market closed, but the last one, for example, in my uh, on my platform is showing the high of that day as 81.68 for the CAD JPM, okay, Canadian dollar JPM, okay, and the low of that day is 81 of that 4 hours, okay, those 4 hours together is 81.30. The open is 81.53 and the close is 81.64. But because this candle for you is not representing the same hours, you will have different data. And when you use those data to make decisions, your decision would be wrong. Same thing when you come to a daily chart. When you come to a daily chart, my daily chart is already full. So as soon as the markets open and next Friday, I'll have a completely new daily chart. But you won't have a completely new daily chart. You will have the data of 1 hour that will be added to the candle you have, and the candle before that also is wrong because it has 1 hour, one more hour of data from here that is added to here to be a full day, and 1 hour of data at the beginning of this day will be here. So that is wrong all the way, and you will be making poor or bad decisions working on that. Okay? You should always have the last hour of a day, which is 11 p.m. Okay? 59 minutes, 59 seconds. So it is always 1 second to midnight for a previous day to end. And whenever it is 5 p.m. in New York, you should have 23:59:59 on your platform. And when it is 5 p.m. 00:00 at New York for a new day, you should see 00:00:00 on your platform to show you that a new Forex day has started. If you don't have that, all your candlesticks for 4 hours daily, weekly, and monthly would be false signals or false candlesticks that will lead to really poor decisions. So you don't want to be trading the market, and the market is really hard. It's hard to make money on forex markets or trading in general. And if the data your broker is sending you is garbage data, you'll be making more mistakes that will lead to more errors and more bias in decision taking. So the impact of not using New York close, as I was mentioning, is that you will be just taking wrong decisions because you have wrong fundamentals, wrong basis to your decision making. And most traders do not even ever hear of it, just because most of them are so focused on the small time frames like uh, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes. So they are so focused on those that they don't even realize, or they don't even know that there's such a thing called New York close charting. But it's good, it's important, it is necessary to be using New York close charts if you have to take into account any time frame starting from 4 hours. And I was saying that they don't even know yet. That makes all the difference between the pro traders and the losers, because you are completely in a situation of disadvantage when you don't even have the good data to make decisions. And you already know that most retail traders, that uh, almost 80% of traders are retail traders. They have accounts for themselves. They are not working in an institutional situation. They are not institutional traders. And the data that is sent to all those retail traders is already bad data compared to institutional traders. And now, if adding to that, you are not using New York close chart, the situation is even worse for you. So that makes a great difference between pro traders and losers, because you will be wrong on the market. You will be doing things wrong, and you won't even know why, because you are having candlesticks that will be showing you that it's a pin bar, for example, but there has never been a pin bar in real market situations. Okay, so now we will talk about how to avoid mistakes, and it is no hassle, no long questioning. It is just simple. If your broker is not offering you New York close charts and the thing is possible, please change your broker. It is so easy. You just change your broker. When I first learned uh, about this, and I realized my broker wasn't offering uh, um, New York chart close, I just wanted to change. I wanted to change, but I saw that it wasn't possible for me. It wasn't possible at the time. That is really long time ago. It was in 2012, I think. 2012, so at least 9 years now. And what did I do? Since I wasn't able to change at that very moment, I automatically tried to open an account with a different broker who offered New York close charting, and I started doing market analysis there. So I always have two charts open on my computer, one for market analysis, and the other where I have my money. I just go there to take action actually. But I use the other broker to make decision. Because if you are making decision on a chart that does not respect maybe your close time, uh, you are making bad decisions all the way. And I have some links to New York close chart brokers in this video, okay? And you can try to open an account with them and get an account, okay? get a MetaTrader from them, and you are sure when you are making market analysis with them, you are sure that you have great data, real data, okay, and that won't lead you to bad, poor analysis, market analysis. And I want to mention that at this very moment I'm doing this video, I don't have any affiliation with those brokers that I whose link I put in there. Okay, I will be making any commission if you open accounts with them, and if anytime I am interested in becoming affiliate to any of them, okay, I will I will let you know in the description that I'll be making a commission if you use my link to get there. But at this very moment, I am not affiliated to any of them. So it is a really objective um, suggestion, okay, that I'm making. I'm not making those suggestions based on money that I would earn from them, okay? Yeah, I know it would be great to earn some money when I send people to some brokers, but at this very moment, I don't have any affiliation with any broker. So I will be putting links to three of them because actually they are not many. They are not many. Even my own broker that I will be putting the link in the description of this video, they haven't been using New York close for really long. It is only at the end of 2020, around November or December, that I realized that they changed the market watch to align it with the New York close. And since then, I have stopped using two different charts on my computer, and I do all the market analysis straight in my account. So if you like the video, please don't forget to share it with friends and families. And if this is the first video you are watching on this channel, please subscribe to get more. Hit the notification bell, never to miss any video. And since we are almost at the end of this series, we'll soon start another series where I'll be showing you most about how to set up your MetaTrader for great results, and how to also use different strategies for better results. Thank you for watching this video, and have a good and wonderful week ahead. Thank you very much. See you soon for our mistake 7 that you should definitely avoid to be successful. Thank you. Bye.